Okay, this is our little update for today. Whoops, sorry about that. I put my thumb right over the camera lens, of course. But I thought you might like to see this little beauty. That there was, whether you would believe this or not, this was designed by a good old-fashioned Norwegian guy. Okay, maybe I'm not old-fashioned. Well, maybe I am. Or maybe I'm not a good old guy. I don't know. But anyway, I built the dumb thing, and it works. Takes me about 15 minutes to sharpen a blade, probably, maybe about that. I'll usually do a couple of them, and then I get bored with it, and then I'll go dull them up on the sawmill. Anyway, that's our update for today. I hope you enjoyed that little this demonstration of saw sharpening, and remember, it's that like and subscribe stuff. We always like to say that. Have a good day. We'll see you guys around.